Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we will just continue the cube and cube root chapter, and within this video you will learn cube root, how to find cube root. See, the cube root, what is actually cube root? The cube root of a number, suppose x, is that number whose cube gives x. That is cube root of, we are just denoting this cube root as 3, this symbol, that is cube root of x. Why this is called cube root? See here I am just taking 27, cube root of 27. What does it mean, cube root of 27? We are just doing all the prime factor of this 27. This 3 into 3 into 3. So this is actually 3 cube root of 3 cube. 3 cube. Is it not? 3 cube. So it is actually, this is giving you 3. That is the root of this cube is actually 3. So we are finding out that root which actually is giving you the number which is actually, after cubing, this is number, this is given 27. So this is actually called the cube root. Now see here, cube root of 343. 343 is actually 7 into 7 into 7. That is 7 cube. The 7 cube, if it is 343, then cube root means this 7, and this is coming 7. Cube root of 343 equal to 7. Now how to just find out this cube root? This is method. First you have to express the product of primes. That is like this. Suppose 343. We have just expressed this number as a prime. Now make the group of the product of the same prime number. That is, we are just grouping this one. Same prime number. That is 7 cube. The triplet of this same prime number. Then find the product of the prime choosing from each triplet. What are the triplets are there? Suppose within this problem you are just seeing that is 3375. I have just only shown. This is 3 cube. That is the this group, that is these 3 triplets, and this is 5 triplets, and it is making, this is 1 from each triplet. That is, it is coming 3 and this is coming 5. So it is coming 5 into 3. So this is actually the method how to find out the cube root. Now just going to this exercise 4C, see number 3, we have just already just done this one. See here, you have to find out the cube root of 729. Now first you have to just find out that is the prime factors of this 729. So it has come 3 group, 3, this is one triplet and this is one triplet. This is 3 cube into 3 cube. Cube root of 3 cube into 3 cube, it has come actually 3. Each triplet, one number will be coming out. That is actually the product of the prime choosing from each triplet. One is coming from this triplet and another comes from the second triplet, and this is coming 3 into 3 equal to 9, and this is actually the cube root of 729. Next number is 8. Cube root of 3375. First we are just going to just do the prime factorization. Make the group of these triplets. This is coming 3 into 3 into 3. This one group, that is 3 cube, and this is 5 into 5 into 5, another triplet of the another group. So this is, we are coming to over here, and try to just understand with the help of, that is the exponent, what we did with the in the exercise or the chapter exponent. See 5 cube and cube root of 15 cube, it will be coming 15 to the power 3 into this cube root means 1 by 3. So it is giving you this 3 cutted off, and this is coming 15. This way, using the exponent, you can also just express this or find out the cube root of any number. Cube root of a negative perfect cube. That is, suppose minus a cube. It actually, it can be expressed minus a and minus a. That is minus a, minus into minus, plus into minus. That is a cube, that is minus a cube. And we can express this one, this actually is minus a to the power cube. So minus a cube, we can express this like this. Therefore cube root of minus a, it will be minus cube root a. So with the help of this formula, we can also use this negative perfect cube number. Suppose 200 minus cube root of minus 216. Find out as usual that is the prime factor of this 216. It has come 2 cube and 3 cube. So this is actually cube root of 216, it will be 2 into 6, 3 equal to 6. So using that one, that's cube root of minus 206, it will be minus a. So it will be minus 6 here. Now see another problem we are just doing. This is cube root of minus 1331. This is actually the product of this 11 in 3 times. This minus 11 and minus 11, product of this minus 11. So it is coming minus 11 cube to the power, this is 1/3 means the cube root, and this power into power, it will be multiplied and it will be cutted off, and it is coming minus 11. This is the process. Actually we are solving this with the help of exponent. Exponent is also showing this one. Now the cube root of the product of integers. Suppose cube root of a into b, then we can express this cube root of a into cube root of b. Now if I am just giving one example with the help of this formula we are just using over here, and just try to solve this one. Cube root of 216 into minus 1331. We have already just done this. 216 also we have done this. 216 is actually 6, and this is actually separated. This cube root of 216 into cube root of minus 1331, and cube root of this equal to 6, and cube root of this equal to minus 11. So your answer will be minus 66. So another thing is actually this is the cube root of any rational number or the quotient form of any 2 integers. That is cube root of a by b, it will be cube root of a divided by cube root of b. Now taking number 17 problem, this is given actually find out the cube root of 729 by 1000. So find out the 729, that is the cube root, that is the triplets of this 729. It has come actually 9 cube, and 1000 it has come in 10 cube. So cube root of 729, it will be cube root of 9 cube divided by cube root of 10 cube. So cube root of 9 cube, it will be 9, cube root of 10 cube equal to 10. So this actually is the cube root of this, that is the any rational number or the integers in the form of quotient. So the cube root of any form means if it is also in the product form, if it is also in the rational number form, or if it is in the any number with integer form, or maybe in the decimal form. If it is suppose decimal 1.25, if it is given like this, then we can also just find out this 100 and like this, and we can find it out that is the, if we are just taking this one this like this, and we are putting this like this, that is 3 that is cube root of this, that is a rational number form, and then we can find out the cube root of any number. So I do believe after going through this video you will be able to solve all the problem within this chapter, and thank you very much.